In this video, we'll show you how home, away, and night modes work with your new Swann Smart Hub. If you have the Key Fob, simply select the modes by pressing the corresponding button. If your kit does not include a Key Fob, you can change the mode via the Home Protect app or just sign into home.swann1.com and select the desired mode on the home page. Home mode should be selected when you're home with your family. In home mode, all security devices are off. Feel free to open doors or windows without worrying about setting off the alarm. Use away mode when you and your loved ones are not home. All security devices are armed, and crossing a motion detector's path or opening a door or window with a sensor will activate the alarm and push notification. Use night mode when you're home but still want to have some security devices active. It's customizable, so you could set the system to activate window door sensors but turn off motion detection. In this scenario, you would be alerted if somebody opened a window or door with a sensor attached, but could still walk to the kitchen for a drink of water without worrying about setting off the alarm or push notifications. Just log into your web portal and then select the Manage Modes button to customize the system the way that best suits you.